It's all good morning, children. It's all textbook exercise, so we can start. I want everybody to turn on your camera so that. See, what is that, Kailina, in your hand? Is it a dog or a doll? Kailina?
Ma'am?
Is it a doll?
Yes, ma'am.
And I'll tell you something, Kailina, what all things you're doing, Principal ma'am will be watching. I am very busy about maths work over here. You're playing with the doll. Okay, turn off your mic. Mukil M, turn on your camera. I'm not going to tell anybody anything hereafter. Those who want to learn, you can learn. Only when the mark comes, you must not come and jump on me, okay? You have to listen. Textbook exercise, it will take time. So we shall start now. See, I'm showing you the page. 1 minute I will keep it because after starting you must not tell, ma'am, what page, what page. Take 108 and 109, 108, 109, then write it on that page, the date. Yes, children, I want everybody to write on page number 108 and 109 the date 2/11, 2-11. Then only I will start. You have to think and do. You have to count so many things. I will give time for you to do, then I will answer. Now, see the pictures over there. Children, I don't want anybody to answer now. Okay, I want everybody to observe these figures properly. You have to answer all the three. First, we will do the first one. Rectangles. How many rectangles are there in the given figure? Nobody is supposed to tell the answer unless I call your names. You find out the rectangles from the given figure, write it in that box. Rectangle looks like that same box. Opposite sides are equal. Find out from the given figure how many rectangles are there. How many figures, rectangle? Yeah, I'm just waiting. It will be confusing for you all, but fast. Okay. Now think how many, and I will call one by one. I will call one person now. I will see whether anyone finished. Yes? Shall I ask? Yeah, Jake, can you tell me, Jake?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, 1 minute. Others should not tell children, I'll get angry, I'm telling you. Jake, can you tell me how many rectangles are there?
8.
How many?
8.
No, let me see. 1 minute. Now, Cyrus, can you tell me?
I should.
Yes? 1 minute, Cyrus, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell.
3 rectangles.
How many? 3. Okay. Now, 1 minute. Now, I want Niral. Niral, tell me,
Yes, ma'am.
how many rectangles are there?
4 rectangles, ma'am.
4. Prajan,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me.
Ma'am, which page? 2 rectangles, ma'am. Ma'am, which page, ma'am?
Now listen, Rahil, I'm very angry with you, Rahil. Every time you are coming late. 108. Don't
3 rectangles, ma'am.
1 minute, Prajan. 108. 1 minute. 108, Rahil, don't get scared. Come on, take. 108. So, Prajan.
Network issue, ma'am.
Okay, now. Prajan, 1 minute, Prajan. I didn't call your name. No, see, you must not come in between and disturb. Okay, 1 minute. Now, Prajan, you answer. You answer. Yes.
I had a network issue.
Okay, Rahil. Okay, Prajan, tell me, how many rectangles are there?
3, ma'am.
3. Okay, now, let's see which one is correct. I will go back. Now, children, look at the figure, please. I will show you with the arrow. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ma'am, there's 5, ma'am.
No, no. 1 minute. No, listen. Not only that, children got again. You saw the answer. Tridip, can you tell me?
One rectangle is holding the 4 rectangles, no,
Excuse
ma'am.
me. Who's this talking always? Who spoke just now? 1 minute, Tridip.
4 rectangles.
No, 1 minute. 1 minute, Tridip. Who was talking just now? Was it Rahil? Children, don't be going on confusing, okay? Just listen. You don't say 3, 4, 5 and all. Okay, Tridip, can you tell me, Tridip?
Yes, ma'am. 4 rectangles are there.
Okay, now Alan, anybody got any other answer? I'm not blaming you because you're too small to find out. Anyone else got any other answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Alan, tell me, Alan, first after the Joansri. Alan,
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
tell me.
Ma'am. 4.
4. Effie, can you tell me, Effie?
Ma'am. 5.
5. Okay, now that's enough. Now we'll go back and see. Even ma'am doesn't know. We'll just count. See, first you take the first one, children. What is this? 1. Look at the arrow, children. 1. Okay. Now, next one. 2. Next one. 3. fully. Next one, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Children, you know how you got it? 1 minute. You just take the figure, take the first one first. See here, this is a rectangle, big one. Then take the next two rectangle. Then this one 3. Then 4, 5. Then that big one together 6, 7. This one alone 8. Then 9. You have to take in. Please try to do it again, children. How many triangles? Triangle 1, 2, 3, 4. All together 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You want me to do? Again, I'll do. Now see here, children. Count. Now 1 minute. I want. Did you understand, children? Listen, you have to use your brain. Rectangle means you don't worry about only that small shape. How many?
Ma'am,
Did anyone get 9 now?
no.
No. Now see once again. Ma'am will tell you. You have to listen. Ma'am will tell you.
He didn't even get 9.
Now 1 minute. See ya. Don't talk in between. First you have to take this big one fully 1. Okay. Then you take this rectangle 2 fully. In that itself got 2, 3, 4. Then you take this 5, 6, 7. Then you take 8. Then you take 9. Slowly you sit and draw. Who got 9?
Akshara, ma'am.
Akshara, yes, you have to see. Big one, small one, then together, all the shapes. Now, we'll go to the next one. Now, don't tell the answer. How ma'am did the first one, you have to do the second one. First, you take the big one fully. Now, let me see who's going to answer this. Please do it, children. Count. And anyone gets the answer, I will ask. Otherwise, you get this answer, I don't need.
Ma'am, 4.
Now, I'm going to minus. Mark for the child. Who said 4? Who said 4? I told you not to answer. Find out now. Find out. If you're ready, raise your hand. I will tell you. Okay, now. Harish.
Yes, ma'am.
First, Harish, tell me how many triangles.
6, ma'am.
Good. Now, okay, we'll see afterwards. Kevin.
Ma'am, 6.
6. Kailina. Not Kailina. Who's that? Juansri, how many?
4.
4. Cyrus. Don't worry if you make mistake. No problem. It's too confusing for you all. I will teach you. Cyrus. How many? 2. Cyrus. Now, Jake. Children, don't listen to your parents and sisters. They don't know the answer. You only tell me. Jake.
Yes, ma'am.
How many?
6.
6. Let's see whether it's correct. Those who got right answers will get beating from me. Now wait, let us see here whether it's correct. Oh my God, it's right. Now I will tell you. 1 minute. Now I will tell you. Now see here. 1. See, 1. Again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now look again. First all together 1. Then you do 2, 3, 4. Next 5, 6. Did you get 6 children? I'm not telling you that because children, please wait. Don't talk now. Don't talk. Don't talk. It's quite difficult. That's what I'm showing you. It will come like this. It will come for test. You have to find out. Is it clear to you? Don't worry about this. It's very interesting. Now the third figure. Find out all the triangles. Many. Let me see. Only triangles. Come on, find out. I will give enough time.
Ma'am, there's
I'm not telling. See, now I'm going to wait. I'm going to see who's talking. I'm going to minus mark now. 5 marks I'm going to minus. Those who are talking in between. Children, you can't do chorus answer over here. You find out. Turn on your mic. Camera, everybody. You do it. You take time and do it. Not, Kailina, what are you doing? You have enough time to sit and play over there. Count and see how many. You are not going to write. I will see who are sitting and playing minus mark now. When the report card comes for the second term, you'll come and fight with me. Wait. Nobody is making an attempt to count. Kailina has to tell me the answer for that. You count all the triangles.
Ma'am?
Don't say now, yes. Don't say. If you got the answer, wait. I have to wait for everybody. Even ma'am has to do it. Anyone? Raise your hand, I will call you. Yes. Akshara, don't give me wrong answers, Akshara. All will repeat, okay? Just think once. Kevin, tell me.
10, ma'am. 10.
Okay. 10, okay. Jake, tell me.
8.
8. Keep in your mind. Yes, Iris.
Ma'am.
Tell, no problem. It's wrong, Cyrus. How many? 10. 8. Okay, let us see. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, I'm Shashwata. Can I tell?
Shashwata, you no need to ask me. I will ask you, okay? You stop telling that, can I tell this, that. See, answer is given over there. What is your answer, Shashwata? See, one child asked, everybody will ask. How many?
10.
Now, wait now. See, when you ask, when I ask anyone, all are screaming, I don't want that kind of answer. Okay, good. Now, let us count all the triangles. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to count. First, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Understood? Then you count. Now, I cannot ask any of you to show me. because it's very difficult. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same way, 9, 10. 9, 10. Here itself you are getting 4, again 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6. Anyway you are getting 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, children. You have to count, or each shape you sit and count whether it's big or small. Okay, now we'll go to the next one. You can draw figures like this and find out the answers. A cone has, even if it's wrong, no problem, children. Dash flat face. One means face, another one as faces. So tell me, I want Kushagra to tell me the answer. Kushagra.
Ma'am.
Kushagra, tell me. A cone.
Cone has dash flat faces.
Yeah. Or flat face. How many?
2, ma'am.
Think properly.
1, ma'am.
Because I showed. Just think of the cone. Okay, flat. We are not asking curve. Flat face. Only on top that space. Okay, face is given. Only one flat face and another one is curved. So only one flat face. Okay, please write. Afterwards, we can go through the figures and find out. Now, Lokesh, are you there, Lokesh? I told you, you have to learn from the textbook. You have to read. Now, Misty, can you tell me second one? A cuboid has dash vertices. A cuboid has dash vertices. A cuboid has dash vertices. Misty, are you there? Misty, why no answer? Effie, tell me, Effie, how many corners, vertices, a cuboid?
Ma'am, 8, ma'am.
8. 8. So, the number of vertices of a rectangle. A rectangle has how many corners? A rectangle has how many corners? Joshika? How many corners? Joshika's not there. Many are not there today. And 2B children. Anyone? Children, it's not very easy, but very good. Very good. Rectangle, square, you can tell the answer. Other things you have to see the figure and count. You cannot say, but you have to learn it and you have to see the figure. Vertices is corners. Oval is an elongated, that is shape, no shape. Out of what that oval is drawn? Anyone?
Circle.
Very good.
Circle.
Circle.
Yeah, ma'am.
Good, good. Elongated circle. Circle is round. This is little out of that shape. This question is for Adonia. Last one. Adonia. A triangle has dash sides. From that question itself, you can answer try. Yes, Adonia's not there. 3. Who said 3? Adonia. Somebody said 3, anyway 3. Children, when you are not
Cyrus,
attending,
ma'am.
Cyrus. Okay. See now, when you don't attend the class, it's very difficult. Because explaining once or twice or thrice not enough to understand all this. You have to look into the figure given in the textbook and count and see. Okay, now another, this one. Oh, this one you can just have it, children, because it will take straight lines, English alphabets. How many straight lines? You know, like children, these are the English alphabets with straight lines, no curve. See here, A, E, F, H, I, K, L. Straight can be slanting line, sleeping line, standing line. But straight, no curve. Curved lines, you please write down this. Don't write A to Z. A, E. See that curve? C, O, Q, S. Clear to you? Hope. Somewhere we will write S with straight lines and we'll ask you to find out. Now this one, straight lines, English alphabets with straight line. Please note down and write A, E, F, H, I, K, L. Look at the screen and write.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Do you have to write capital letters only?
All capitals, only capitals can give you straight lines. Clear? If you write small a, it is curve. English alphabet width. List down that we are only using capital letters when any question arises. Please write, I'm waiting for you. I want tomorrow Samantha, Shashwata, Shamma, Shaina, Thanvi, Arush, Akhil, Alan, Akilan to get ready with your recitation. Don't tell after that you don't know. You cannot see the book. You have to prepare without seeing.
Ma'am,
Who's this now?
Taras, ma'am.
Tell me, Darush, what? No, that your ma'am will tell you. Ma'am will. What did you ask, Darush? About?
Did you say
No. Arush, this is because Cleona ma'am will tell you when she will conduct recitation, because I am conducting for special class. If I take, I will call your names. Okay. It's Arush. Good, Arush. Okay, now both curved and straight lines. See here? See B, children, straight, curved, T curve. Understood? That's the difference between all this. Please write down all this. Yes. Someone must tell me when you finish. Only one child.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't worry. It will be there, children. It's already time. We have to do some more. Now give one example of a solid each which can slide roll, both slide and roll. See that? You can give your own. It can slide, cube, roll, ball, slide and roll, code. You can write any answer. Difference between a square and rectangle can be said. No need to write over there. Because square, all the four sides are equal. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are
equal.
Excuse me, I don't want anybody to turn on your mic when I'm teaching. Difference between a square and a rectangle. Square, four sides are equal. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Examples you can tell. Difference only they ask. So this is the only difference. Nothing else. Now let me see, children, you can write down after that, but let me see. This one, I want you to do it. Brain teaser, please find out the answer. Listen. Brain teaser, how many horizontal? Try to do. We'll do it in class, next class. Please try to do this, children. If I go to the next, the answers will be there. See that C and yes. C got sleeping line. That is horizontal and vertical. It's not a curve. All is drawn like straight. No curve. Only horizontal, vertical, slanting lines. S got sleeping line, vertical line. So find out the answers. How many horizontal, vertical and slanting line? Let me see how many of you are getting correct answer. And second one, what shape will you get if you place 10 coins on top of each other? 10 rupee coin, 10 coins of 10 rupee. Don't tell any answer, you have to write the shape. Name. Okay, children. That can be done at home. Think and do. Who's this girl now? Sanvi. Sanvi, only those two, mathematics, and the next one, you have to break your head and complete the work. Okay, now. So, Jane, how are you? Okay, children, now.